Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2022 72 plate Kia Stonic GT line, finished in the midnight black metallic. The vehicle's covered 29,150 miles. It comes with a full Kia main dealer service history, and it also benefits from the remainder of a 7-year or 100,000 mile manufacturer warranty until November 2029. But just working our way around, we can have a look at some of the spec of the GT line, the LED headlights, the gloss black accents, the satin silver strip at the bottom there. We do have a set of 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. We've got roof rails, privacy glass to the rear, and then working our way inside, we've got the part cloth, part leather interior with the white piping and contrast detailing. There's also a reversing camera, there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got cruise control. You've got a manual transmission with climate control. There's even a USB port in the rear seats, so you can charge up your devices. Just open the rear tailgate for you. So if you'd like any more information on this Kia Stonic, please feel free to get in touch.